The Maus tank was conceived by Ferdinand Porsche and commissioned by Adolf Hitler in 1942. Hitler envisioned a super-heavy tank that would be invulnerable to any Allied weaponry. The development began under the codename Mammoth, later renamed Maus. Despite initial skepticism, Porsche pushed forward, resulting in the first prototype being completed in late 1943. The Maus was an engineering marvel, weighing a staggering 188 tons. It measured over 33 feet in length and nearly 12 feet in height, making it the largest tank ever constructed. The Maus was armed with a 128 mm KWK-44L/55 main gun and a coaxial 75 mm KWK-44L/36.5 gun, providing immense firepower. Its armor was equally impressive, with up to 220 mm of frontal armor, designed to withstand any anti-tank weapon of its time. The Maus's primary weapon, the 128 mm gun, was capable of destroying any Allied tank from a great distance. The secondary 75 mm gun added versatility, allowing it to engage both armored and soft targets. Additionally, it was equipped with a machine gun for infantry defense. Despite its immense firepower, the Maus had several critical flaws. One of the Maus's biggest challenges was its mobility. The sheer weight of the tank limited its speed to a mere 12 miles per hour and made it highly impractical for most terrains. Bridges couldn't support its weight, and it consumed a vast amount of fuel, which was a significant logistical problem during the war. Only 2 prototypes were ever completed, and neither saw combat. The Maus project ultimately failed due to its impracticality and the changing tides of war. As the Allies advanced, the need for mobile and versatile armored units became apparent, rendering the Maus obsolete before it could be deployed. The focus shifted to more feasible tank designs, and the Maus became a symbol of overambition. Its massive resources could have been better utilized in more practical weaponry. Today, the Maus stands as a reminder of the extremes of military engineering during World War II. One of the prototypes can be seen at the Kubinka Tank Museum in Russia. Military historians and enthusiasts continue to study the Maus, offering insights into the limitations and challenges of super-heavy tank design. While it never saw combat, the Maus remains a fascinating chapter in the history of armored warfare. In conclusion, the Panzer VIII Maus was an extraordinary yet flawed attempt at creating an indestructible tank. Its legacy lives on as a symbol of the ambitions and miscalculations of Nazi Germany's war machine. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the Maus. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into military technology and history.